My name is Alex Coombs. I'm Head of Operations here at Ad Valorem. We're a regional accountancy firm based in Milton Keynes. We service small, medium enterprises across the country, helping them to grow digitally and to look after all of their compliance affairs. Why we decided to look for a CRM system was we were having a lot of problems with our sales and marketing function, where we had multiple different systems that weren't connected, and they were causing a difficulty with the reporting. We were having inconsistent results from different systems, and we really needed to consolidate down into one. So we decided to go for Salesforce and Bluewave. Really, they came to us at the same time. We were in a process of looking at a lot of different CRM systems. We went through the process with about 5 to 10 different softwares, trying to understand what would be the best fit for our business. Bluewave and Salesforce came to us together. Bluewave were a Platinum Salesforce Partner. They were also really friendly, really collaborative, and understood our vision and goals straight away. And Salesforce was really the best in breed from what we could see, and we identified quickly that it was going to hit all of our requirements and really be a tool that we could grow with over the next sort of life cycle of our business. So the experience with Bluewave was fantastic. Right at the start, we were promised that we would get the Bluewave way, and they explained to us what that would be. And I can say for the whole year that we were working with the team, we 100% got that. It was a very collaborative approach. They followed us in an agile method, and they were routinely communicating with us exactly how we needed. They kept us to task, but they also kept every promise that they made and delivered a fantastic end result. The end result of the project was that we ended up with a consolidated system, bringing together our sales and marketing operations into one sort of housed system, which is exactly what we were looking for and delivered us a really good reporting capability. It's massively reduced our internal administration with those operations, and it's made us a much more successful business at engaging and winning new clients. It's also given visibility to all of our service delivery team, and they've been able now to see the whole view of a customer and be able to provide a much better service overall. The improvements overall from the project have been massive. We've seen a much better understanding of the numbers behind our key sales and marketing functions. We've also been able to see that our service delivery teams are able to understand the clients a lot better. They're also much more comfortable with the information that we're giving to them. It's also allowing us to store all of that information in one place, so it's very easy for anyone within the business to know exactly what's going on for any of our clients. And I think our client experience has dramatically improved because of this. We would certainly recommend Bluewave. They were fantastic from start to finish. They specialize in the professional services industry, and we received a fantastic service. It was such a collaborative approach, and we couldn't recommend them highly enough.